Hello, Bruce Yacko again from Jaws International. Here today to talk to you about a glass cleaning tool that will help make that glass cleaning experience work better for you. I think most of you have already used our Jaws glass cleaner. Good Housekeeping set of the 17 they tested, it was the only one that didn't streak. And because we've designed it without alcohol or ammonia or butyl, it's also designed for your big screen TVs, computer screens, iPads, all those kind of things as well, all those modern surfaces. The way the Jaws cleaning system works is you simply fill up your bottle with water to the fill line, you insert the cartridge of super concentrated glass cleaner. When you attach the sprayer and tighten down, you made your first bottle of Jaws. And so whether you're a person doing your own house and you simply have cartridges that you've bought as part of the system, or you're a cleaning professional and you want to buy 24 in a box because you want to be able to make your glass cleaner wherever you are, that at the end of the day you have a great glass cleaning product to do a great variety of different surfaces, whether it be outside glass, inside glass, hot glass, cold glass. It works well on all of it. UV coated glass. Again, there's no harmful materials in there to hurt the surfaces in which you're cleaning, and will do a great job. It's a fabulous streak-free product, and again, the wand is a fabulous way to enhance that cleaning performance. And again, rather than spraying the glass, we're simply going to spray the wand. From there, you'll do your cleaning task, and whether it be a mirrored table or a glass table, or you want to clean underneath that table, whether you have a second-story window you're trying to clean and staying off a ladder to do so, there's all kinds of ways to be able to use this wand in a way that's going to make your cleaning experience, glass cleaning experience better, and it really is just a fabulous product. The beauty of this is it screws on to any pole, industrial pole. This one happens to be a 20-footer because I have some very tall windows that I need to clean. I hate getting up on that 20-foot ladder, getting up to clean these glass every springtime. It's springtime, I want my windows to look good. This really gives me a chance to do it once a month if I choose. Using my wand the way I use it, as you see, it's pointed so I can get into the corner. I can come down, you see it cleaning the glass? What a great way to clean this glass rather than getting up on a stool and making that work. Another great tool coming to you from Jaws International. So really a wonderful cleaning system, and the wand just makes that process that much easier and more convenient to do.